Tashidalai, to all my dear brothers and sisters, and to all the viewers and subscribers of my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be giving a special message and a distinct call for Chinese Communist Party Standing Committee Politburo members and parliamentarians, especially to Mr. Xi Jinping. Now today you have been celebrating 71st founding anniversary of People's Republic of China. It is not that CCP has done a remarkable and immense contribution to the people of China and across the globe. For that you have been celebrating it. Now you are celebrating 71st founding anniversary of People's Republic of China. You are celebrating it because you have massacred innumerable Tibetans, destroyed thousands and thousands of monasteries. You have also eradicated Tibetan culture, religion, language, costumes, habits, and also cultural assimilation and economic marginalization and environmental degradation is every day happening inside Tibet. And also the complete disappearance of world's youngest political prisoner, Gendun, Choekyi, Nyima, and many more. Because of all these factors, you have been celebrating the 71st founding anniversary of People's Republic of China. We the Tibetans are always suffering just because of Chinese invasion. Not only us, but also all the other minorities like East Turkestan, Uyghurs, Hong Kongers, and many more who are always suffering just because of China. Now, due to the outbreak of Chinese Wuhan coronavirus, we all are suffering. All the 7 billion people across the globe are suffering just because of CCP, Chinese Communist Party. Therefore, I, as a Tibetan ambassador, will never ever forget what CCP did to us. Certainly, we all will never ever forget the CCP's atrocities and bloodshed inside Tibet every day. We will see a free Tibet in the near future. Our courage, Tibetans' courage and enthusiasm will always grow stronger and better and greater day by day. CCP has subjugated Tibetan territory and sovereignty, but they will never be able to subdue Tibetan conscience, identity, courage, and enthusiasm for being who we are actually. We are Tibetan. We will always be Tibetan. At last, I hope and pray immensely that His Holiness the Dalai Lama will return back to Tibet as soon as possible and Tibet will be freed again. One world, one dream, free Tibet. Pegalo. Thank you.
정말 다시 텔레공감 상 다른 기님무디 가라서 비미솔에 차첨바이나 비 거가 상부식 차디규래 강이 쇼베이나 테니 기님무디 톨레야 아니 갸나 마셔 톱바디 주체 로 딘주 퇴지 코르비 기님무식 차디규리 전에 가라서 사쇼 강선 네비기 비미솔레야 테니 기님무디 톨레야 레규 소수기 랑미리기 탑수기 치둘레야 레규 다미데 비아기 거가 상부식 차디규래 제자다 다른 기님무디레야 녜기 토네 덴제기 모괴 체당 랑루미세다다 다 치투사 마르데 임바 인일레 나랑기 셈 나올레야 가르쳐봐 지그라 디 티닝기 닌도 디기 토네 마땡고 삼소 제자다 문니 장니 나랑스기 삼니 디기 톨 타다 따오기나 다두 부투 다한테 칼로 신차 춤부 직랑 디규레 된 상마 쓰기 쓰기려나 이갸나 따와 치보 이갸나 마셔 쳐봐 코랑스기 따 칼라고를 소소기 랑친지기 따와 체부디 키지 아니 나랑스기 치도 첨부 디기 나올레야 미창마 핀진 두게레 미창마레야 dewa batang ani dungi mi de bachi pare yimbu hinele mi din jugi ngarang jugi jamni thola yobegi mi chun jugi ani rawang thoera thega na shin ki khala ota so su gi saja mayim bati thoga da hamsum chie mi gi gyuno din jo hamsum chie deti ki tawa shena thoda tawa thekpo ani rang chin chin da rang de ki tawa dikhe che jamni ki thola shu yin thodo che ni ngan chu gi ta khala mi nyam chun chu ta jamni ki thola ya ni che thangmu mi ki ani lungba din jo saya 함송 치에 덴티기 다 차체 녀바데데 치유요바디 창미기 킨세리 다 만수기 뇌니 강 투투당 강 주주 수수기 갈주 투투기 모규체리 갈 투투기 고도 베레 덴티 치유요레데 임부이니레 다두양 코란수기 다 야나 마셔 촉바기 다 칼로르다 게키니 아니 시진핑이 쯔비고 코란수기 다 officials 레게다 다 라가치니 레제바딘즈기 똑발레야 칼로르 짜기 동 짜기 빡빡 도지 그 요거 도치지야 잠리나 슈 직도 호다 슈직 주의 상체 코란지기 마 등기도 얘네한테도 참막할로 잡중길 내가 당다 된수 참막할로 잡중길 내가 냠돌라 칼로다 소소라 찍포지기 체들이야 아니 레금데 마징에 된체기 따 된체기 저주님바 된체기 랄로 삼로 데케제 잠린 톨이야 코라게디 카리리 슈부이나 소소랑랑 소소랑이랑 찍포지다 찍 somna so rangi ki lungpa dirang zamni ki tholaya kecha chushe ta tapshuk chushe ji chana samche tinte ki samlo ma to shepal la ya sampa chik ta pangi yo mari samki do khayu shu pa na ta da ngara ju ki thade ki ne tam ta to ki nishi ti kyana ni chungore kyana khorong ji syo bare disu sama khari chi du syo bare lawa ina zamni mimang changma mewa se wo sabare sameta tinte ki thoni mune changni ki sem nanglo la tawa tekpo chik ta mune ta sem nanglo la chik chidu ya anya mon chene ta khalo ta mune ngara zo phebo to ta pheba re ni chi pheba den zo ta bo du ta khalo gom che de yu kongsa chino kongsa kyam ki chumbu je khongi ka tin da thu che ka tin ta khalo khongi ni kalo tin si che na ma zo sama ta khalo ta chik ta legi pe ta pi ki yor de ni ya chapu ma chi wi thoni shi wil lam ne ngara zo ki legi pe ta pi ki yor de yini yang tha do yini yang ngara zo phebo chu ge mone go sap shi ta de ki thoni de ki yor de ngara zo phe nang ro le yu ki phemi de zo la ta na mone thani ki chode rawa yo mare su ki sem nang la dewa yo mare chimme bu sam ki dewa chi rawa ma to nang sem ki dewa de mone ora de mone go yo mare same ki de ki ta khalo ngara la sem nang so ji tu re kyana mimu kyana shungi ngara zo phegi chi khalo ta materialistically nga zo ji phedi yar ye tang yo re phegi ta sa ji di pe khalo ro yin to khau su yo yin yang thung mo bol yang ngara zo gi phe merik phe nang lo la yo bi phe mi di gi sem nang lo la shi de ji gyo ra shi de di thoa da phe nang lo la phe mi di gi chode ra won thoa phe nang lo la yo bi phe mi di gi so gi khari che gwa gi de ra won ji gyo ra de sang ma thoa de ki thoni ngara zo gi ta khanda ma da gyami de mu no ra zamin nang lo ni ta mi tuk shu chi gi ba ta kyam merik ki ma shu gi ta chok pa di ta zamin ki thoni ni tuk shu chi gi ba di ni ta ta theni gi ni di ki thoni ni ra du chi gi la yi ani ni gi khang mao pa yin ya ni ngarang ki ta khang ju se pak ki ngarang ki phedeng ki thola le gi pe ta pe gi phedeng ki thola ya chungza chi me ba yin ya ngarang ki ta contribution te da de sama ni gi mao ba ni che de che yin an chang ma la tharing ki ni dun di si ko la thu chi che ka din che
Tashidelek, this is Member Sway. I am a Tibetan. Today is the 71st anniversary of People's Republic of China, but I call it 70 plus annexation of People's Republic of China, because China have annexed our land, which is Tibet, roof of the world, and our motherland, and which is the size of 2.5 million square kilometer, which includes all the three provinces, Tutu, Tumi, and Yuzheng. Chinese government have annexed our people, and they have killed 1.2 million Tibetan brothers and sisters. Chinese government have annexed our resources. They have cut millions of trees, and they are trying to divert the rivers into eastern China. And they are also trying to stop the rivers Indus and Brahma not to flow in a natural way. And they have annexed our culture. They have destroyed thousands of temples and burned stupas and burned prayers books. So now, not only this, and very sadly, they have annexed our brothers and sisters' organ, and they sell it for economically. So that's how they become a rich. So I want to let them know, and I want to ask to this stupid government, that is there any still you need to annex, or is there any still left to annex? Yes, there is. You need to annex the will of our people. You need to annex our determination. You need to annex our peace of mind. You need to annex our compassion of mind. So do you think you can annex our peace of mind? No, definitely not. You cannot. You can see the youngster generation, their wills, their determination, their peace of mind, and their solidarity. You cannot annex our mind. So I want to let you know that you are just a failure government. Your 60 plus years of annexation has failed. So I want to let you know that there is a saying in Tibetan, wise people think earlier and the foolish people think later. So you are already a foolish government, so you need to be wise. Thank you.